Om Sai Ram to all you Baba lovers out there. How is everyone doing? I have been a little unwell for I think 2 weeks now, and I have just been wondering what is this phase that Baba is taking me through. A lot of people giving me a lot of advices that you should go to a doctor, you should do this, you should do that. But I am grateful because a lot of people are more importantly than giving me advices are praying for me and are working on healing me. But as I said, no, I don't know what is running in his mind. Sometimes I really wonder that what is he trying to teach me, or what is the lesson he's trying to give me. But as I always say, in all my meetings, in all my sessions, or in all my readings, that with faith in him, he will make you come out of it. Sometimes I really wonder that, why all this is happening, why Baba, why me, why me, and he always gives me an answer. I think this is the first time he has not given me answer since 2 weeks, but somewhere now I see the answers coming, and I feel, yes, the man is, there for me, and just helping me out. Because I still remember 2 days back I was so down that why Baba, after one another issue, after another issue, and I'm not able to even focus on my work. I'm not able to do healing for my students the way I love doing. I'm not able to focus on my personal life. Everywhere it was haywire, and I was wondering why me. And suddenly 2 days back he just shows me small changes around me. He makes me feel happy. He makes me feel that, don't worry, I am there. You might wonder, how does he make you feel? Does he come and tell you? No, he doesn't come and tell me. For example, um, I love, in flowers, if you ask, I love tulips. And here in Chennai, you get tulips, but in the city, and I have told you, I stay a little far away from the city. So suddenly, I got tulips, and the best part was that this person from whom I regularly pick the flowers, he wraps it in a paper, and there is Baba's photo in that, and it is as if Baba is, reminding me, you love tulips, here is tulips for you. So I look at it, and then I smile, because, when I see the tulips, I feel, oh, my half my pain is gone with that smell and everything in my room. I feel very happy. But then still the pain is there, things surrounding me are not right. Then suddenly Baba sends me something else, and again in that I see the picture of him, and I feel, Baba, you're trying to cure me by giving me small happinesses. So maybe somewhere you're asking me to let go of things, and to just focus on me, and on you, and on faith with you. And today, when I'm doing this reading, I feel much better than what I was not in the past 2 weeks. And though I'm not fully recovered, but somewhere, Baba has not let go of me. Baba has holded on to me. Baba has made me realize that, don't worry, I am always there for you. So with that thought, let me pull the first card, the miracle. I tell you, he just answers. I have no words when I'm seeing this card. So maybe Baba is just trying to tell that, look out for the miracle in your life. In this 2 weeks, definitely I have not, you know, I have not had that full thing. I was so in my pain that I used to just keep cribbing. But now, yes, Baba is there, and Baba is even telling you that if you are also facing some troubles in life, if you feel there is no one for you, he is there, and he is going to make you come out of the troubles, and he is going to give you the real happiness that you deserve. Just wait for the miracle. The next card is the most amazing card, Grace of the Crew. Baba's grace is upon you. I always say this, Baba, keep your hand on me. I don't need anything else in life. You know what is good for me. You know what has to be done for me. Many people have even said that, what for you, Pinky ji, you have everything. That is why you're saying this. Believe me, if you really believe me, when I didn't have everything also, I used to just tell Baba, Baba, you know what is good for me. Just do the best for me. Whatever you give me I will take it with happiness. And whatever food I used to get on those days also, I used to say, Baba, tera tujhko arpan, that whatever you give to me is yours, and I give it to you, and then only I have it. So believe in him, and he is going to bless you. Today, those who have Sai Satcharitra, please read one chapter. Keep some prasad in front of him, and read one chapter, or even one page, or one liner, or something of Sai Satcharitra, and feed that prasad to poor people. You also have, feed it to poor people also, today if possible. I always say on Thursdays, feed a stray animal. You will be amazed by the way Baba will bless you when you help those poor things out there. So do that and get the blessings of Baba. May Sai always be there with you. May Sai show you the miracles in life the way he shows me the miracles, because today Baba says he has his grace on you and he is going to give you the miracles that you desire. May Baba bless you all. Om Sai Ram.